Yeah, static methods in interface. Next, functional interfaces. Uh, at functional interface annotation. Next, lambda expressions. Next, predefined functional interfaces. Next, method references. Constructor references. Optional class. New date and time API. Stream API. Total 11 features. Out of 11, how many completed? 6. 6 features completed. Okay. Out of 11 features, 6 features completed. Now, remaining features I'll explain. Method references, constructor references, almost similar. Now, first method references. Next heading, method references. This feature is an alternative. This feature is an alternative to lambda expressions. This feature is an alternative to lambda expressions. This feature is an alternative to lambda expressions. Say, instead of lambda expression, you can create method reference. That is, I'll show you. There are two types of method references. First one, reference to an instance method. Second one, reference to a class method. There are two types of method references. First one, reference to an instance method. Second one, reference to class method. This feature is an alternative to lambda expressions. See, method references. This feature is an alternative to lambda expression. You already studied lambda expression. Instead of lambda expression, we can go for this concept. Okay. There are two types of method references. Reference to an instance method, reference to a class method. I'll explain. See, suppose integer array operator a equal to new integer of array. Like this we'll write. Okay. Like this, if you write integer p equal to a, if I write in these two lines, how many arrays created? Okay. Okay, this is for you confusion. One more I'll give. Demo d equal to d1 equal to new demo. Demo d2 equal to d1. In these two lines, how many objects created? How many objects? One object. But how many references created? two references. So here one object created, two references created. Here how many arrays created? One array created, two array references created. So this array is right side. This array referred by A. Okay. Same array referred by B. Because here what will happen? Array elements copied or hash code copied? Hash code copied. Here also, here one object created. That object referred by D1. Same object referred by D2. Same object referred by D2. So how many objects created? One object. How many references created? Two references created. Like that, method reference. One method can be referred by other method. Now, if I suppose if I create here using this B, can I access this array? Yes. Using D2, can I access this object? Yes. Like that, one method can be referred by other method. That is method reference. One method can be referred with other method. That is method reference. How to create? I'll show you. See, file open demo.java. You observe now lambda expressions. Suppose if you want to write lambda expression, is it functional interface mandatory? Yes. Now it is alternative to lambda expression. That means here also functional interface compulsory. Interface test. Interface test. Is it functional interface? No. Integer add. Integer A, integer B. Is it functional interface? Yes. I want to confirm with software. What will write? Add functional interface. Okay. For this, how to write lambda? Test t equal to a comma b arrow a plus b. How to call? Int x equal to t dot add two numbers. Next, system dot out dot println x. Now, if I run this, see. Java C demo.java. Java demo. See, working. Now, instead of lambda expression, I want to write method reference. You observe, I'll remove lambda. Here, another method I'll write. Another method. Method name, suppose sum. Integer A, integer B. I'll write. Integer C equal to A plus B. Return C. I'll write. Now, this method, I want to refer with this method. Then what we have to do, see, if you want to call this method, how many ways? Two ways. What are those? Which class object required? Demo class object required. Demo class object will create. Demo D equal to new demo. Now, with this D, two colon symbols, sum, if you write over. Then what we are saying to compiler, here actually which method we have to implement? Add method. What I am saying, add method referred by sum. Then whenever you call add, which method called? Sum method called. It works. The two colon symbols are there, no? That is only method reference concept. See, it works. First, you note down syntax. First word, reference to reference to an instance method. Reference to an instance method. Syntax. Object or object reference two colon symbols double colon method name. Object or object reference two colon symbols method reference method name. Okay. Object or object reference two colon symbols method name. Example. Example. Reference to an instance method. Object or object reference two colon symbols method name semicolon. Example. You observe this is only. Here object reference I written. If you want to write object, what you have to write? New demo. That's it. It also works. Compilation, execution. See, like this. Now you can write with object or with object reference. Example. Note. So this line you can write like this also. Demo D equal to new demo. After this test T equal to T colon colon sum. Either this or this. Any one you can write. Is it over? So test t equal to new demo two colon symbols. Here object two colon symbol method name. Here object reference two colon symbol method name. Either this type we can write or this type we can write. Any one we can use. That means what we are saying is actually which method I'm calling? Add method. But which method is going to be called? Sum. Because sum method referred with add. Add method referred with sum like that. Okay. It is a reference to an instance method. Okay. It is a reference to an instance method. But one more way. Reference to class method possible. Second one. Reference to a class method. Syntax. Reference to a class method. Syntax. Class name two colon symbol method name. Reference to a class method. Reference to a class method. Syntax. Now you observe. Just here I'll write static. Then what we ought to write here? Demo two colon symbol sum. That's it. It works. See compilation, execution. Write this example. 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 Write this program. So instance method is there, either object or object reference. Class method is there, class name. That's it. These two colons is a syntax. Okay, two colon symbols, four dots. After that, method name semicolon. Is it over? Now, here one more concept is there, constructor reference. Now next heading, constructor references. It allows to create a reference to a constructor. It allows to create a reference to a constructor. It allows to create a reference to a constructor. But consider, what is consider? Special method which has same name as a class name and which has no return type. Return type not allowed here. So return type is there, doesn't work. That's what this method, I'll make it void. Return type void. Here what I'll do is, here I'll write constructor demo. Then here only you have to print system.out.println C, because constructor without return type. If you write, this is called constructor. Now I want to create a reference. This one, I want to create a reference to this constructor. Then what we have to do is, here just someplace new. Here you observe, here it is a method. Okay. Now once again I will write otherwise better. Say here return type other than void is there. It's not possible. The constructor doesn't return, no. That type concepts you can write. If it is not returning, you have to write. For this method, the method logic I'm writing in constructor. The method logic I'm writing in constructor. Okay. Integer c equal to a plus b, system dot out dot println c. Now it is a method, it is a constructor. Now I'm creating a reference to this constructor. See here test t equal to, here what you have to do is class name colon colon new. If you write like this, what will happen? Constructor called. Now here it is not returning, no. T dot add, t dot add. That's it. Now which method I'm calling? Add method. Add method referred by which ones? What is constructor? New demo colon new. Now I am calling add, but it is going to be called constructor. Okay. See, working. Okay. Here syntax node. Syntax class name 2 colon symbols new. Class name 2 colon symbols new semicolon. Example. Class name 2 colon symbols new semicolon. Example. It allows to create a reference to a constructor. Now example node. Is it over? Now, one more example I'll give on this only. You observe, this is, I'll make it as integer. Now, instance method reference, I want to write instance method reference. What we are, class method reference, I want to write. What we are to write? Static int sum int a int b. Next, int c equal to a plus b, return c. Here, test t equal to demo, two colon symbols, sum. Next, int x equal to t dot add two numbers. Next, system dot out dot println x. Now, this program, how many lines? 19. 19 lines code. You observe, program successfully compiled, executed, we got a output. Now what I'll do, I'll add generics. 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 Year t. Okay. Year t. Year t. Then what you have to write here? T. Then year what we have to write? Integer. Clear no? File, save. This is generic types. Compilation, execution, working. Now, instead of this pre-interface, I want to use predefined interface. Which interface suitable for this? Predefined binary operator. By function, three different generic types. Binary operator, same. So I'll remove this. I'll remove this. Here, test place what you have tried. Binary operator. Binary operator. T place BO. That is same also you can write, not a problem. Here I'll write BO. Now, which one import? We have to import java.util.function.star. See, I removed that. Now how many lines? 15 lines. Previously 19 lines. Okay. Now you observe compilation, success, execution. 1 minute. What is the method name you have to write? Apply. Apply. Because binary operator method. Compilation, execution. Okay. I added generics. After that, I change it to predefined functional interface. Now, this method also I'll remove. Here already in integer class, some method is in java.lang.integer. Here, some method is in this method I want to refer. Then what you have to write? In the place of demo, what you have to write? Integer. Method name? Sum. See, it is predefined functional interface. It is predefined method. That one, this one I clubbed together here. Further, in frameworks like this will be there. This is somewhere. This is some other place. According to your requirement, you are customizing. Okay. See, you observe predefined functional interface, predefined method I'm using. Previously 19 lines, now 10 lines. Okay. Like this, even complicated logics also we can write. That is stream API time you'll understand. Complicated logics with lambda expressions possible with 1 line, 2 lines. Okay. Write this example also. 1 minute. Program to demonstrate method reference, class method reference with by using predefined functional interface. And predefined method. See, everything predefined. Program to demonstrate class method reference by using predefined functional interface and predefined method. Program to demonstrate class method reference by using predefined functional interface and predefined method. Now, interface predefined, method also predefined. Okay. We'll see continuation next class because strength is very less. So tomorrow, Sunday, and 13th, Monday, 14th, Tuesday, 15th, Wednesday, 16th, Thursday. Say these 3 days, okay, no class, holidays. Sunday, anyhow, no class. Okay. Thursday also strength may not come because today only less. Okay. So we'll see continuation on Friday. Next class on 17th. Okay. Next class on 17th Friday. Friday, if it is not possible to attend, at least online you attend. Okay. Next class on Friday. Friday, I'll take class. Friday, Saturday, I'll take class. Okay. So next class we'll see on Friday. Okay. Happy Pongal to all of you. Thank you. Okay.